Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add friends in Smith. It's pretty easy. First of all, open the menu. Right here you're gonna see the option for social, and keep in mind that this option is only visible to people who are at more than level 3. Either if you're on level 3 or more than that, you're gonna see the option for social. But if you're not at level 3, then you have to progress a bit, and once you do that, you'll able to see the option for social. Click on that, select friend here, and since we wanna add the friend, we need to select friend and select this one, add friend. Right here you need to paste the ID of your friend whom you wanna invite. So I have the ID of my friend. I can just paste that right here and search for that. So this is my friend. I can just click on this plus icon in order to send him the friend request, and once he accepts the request, I'll able to see him in the friend list just right here. And from here you can just easily invite him in co-op or multiplayer. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you can add friend in Smith. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you to the next one. Bye bye.